Welcome to solverfy.
Seven 7.21, so we're given a vector, a is 3 I hat plus 1.5 j hat, and we want to find a vector b that's perpendicular to a. So the sort of cheesy answer is if we let b be in the just the k hat unit vector, then since this is in the xy plane, any vector that only has a z component will automatically be perpendicular to it. But if we want to restrict ourselves to the xy plane, we have to do a little bit more thinking, but this is technically a correct answer. So A and B being perpendicular means that their dot product is 0. So now we can use this to write an equation for the components of B. So again, this being equal to 0 means that any any vector b whose y component is -2 times its x component will be both in the xy plane and perpendicular to a. If we'd also included a plus 0 times b sub z, you'd see that if you let by and bx be 0, then any multiple of the z unit vector k hat would be also a solution that works. But if you want one in the same plane as a, then here you go. So one thing that works, we note that here a sub y is 1/2 a sub x. So we can just swap these around and add a negative sign in. So if we say that b is 3/2 I hat minus 3 j hat, and this is a vector that is perpendicular and also has the same length. And then the other one that satisfies that would just be the negative of this. So -3/2 I hat plus 3 j hat would also be perpendicular and have the same length as a.